Honorable Wamboka, you want to run the house when I'm seated here? I've decided otherwise. Yeah. Honorable Wanjala, Wamboka, let me hear you now.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I have 2 points to make. In the same breath, you may order Honorable Sitenei to also withdraw because she was imputing an improper motive on the whole community of the Luyha community where I come from, Honorable Speaker. It is not rocket science that Luhyas have food, that no Luyha begs. It is not rocket science. So whereas you've asked Honorable Wanjala to withdraw, Honorable Sitenei must withdraw on behalf to the entire community and apologize to the entire community of Western. That's my point number 1, Honorable Speaker. Point number 2. Indeed, Honorable Speaker, the President is the President of the Republic of Kenya. In what Wanjala is saying, Honorable Wanjala, my big brother, if the President wants to call people, no, but this is me. If the President wants to call people, let it be national. Because he is a national president.
Honorable Wamboka.
Go back to Honorable Member for Tarbu that she must apologize to the entire Luyha nation.
Honorable Wamboka. No, just a minute. We are already done. Honorable Wamboka, what I heard Honorable Janet Sitenei say is that those Christmas gifts were given to everybody, not because they were poor, and that those everybody included people from Western Kenya, and I find no fault with that. Unless I didn't hear right. And I've not requested you to speak. So there was nothing out of order in what Honorable Janet Sitenei mentioned. Honorable Kajwang, can you take us back to business? Please respond to the last statement.
Mr. Speaker, I was interrupted when Honorable Member for Budalangi.
Deputy Majority Leader insists on disrupting you again, Honorable Kajwang.
Speaker.
Yes.
You know, we abide the standing orders. The standing orders of this House is very clear. You cannot discuss the name of the President in this House without a substantive motion. And that is what the standing orders say. So when I hear Honorable Wamboka, I hear Honorable Wanjala mention the name of the President and want to discuss him in whatever light in this House, it needs to be done with a substantive motion, which they have not done. So, Honorable Speaker, I think it is the onus is on you, Honorable Speaker, to guide the House that they avoid that kind of a discussion.
The Honorable Wenbaya, the Speaker here is very keen. And I can tell you in this broad-based government arrangement, the Speaker seated here will not allow the name of the President to be discussed without a substantive motion. The request Honorable Wamboka and Honorable Wanjala made, if I heard them rightly, was that while giving Christmas gifts anywhere, the President should spread nationally. That is a request, and I don't find anything wrong with that. Except Honorable Wamboka and Honorable Wanjala, I know we also celebrate Christmas with people who are around us wherever we celebrate it. To expect the President as an individual to be everywhere at the same time may also be difficult. But I think we move astride. Honorable Kajwang, we can proceed.
Mr. Speaker, I was